we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of TUKAILAI 4000 PSI, electric power washer, 2.8 GPM. That's include powerful cleaning capabilities. The high pressure of 4000 psi combined with a maximum flow rate of 2.8 GPM and 1800 watt ensures robust cleaning power. Nozzle with 4 different pressure, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and the inclusion of a foam cannon provide professional-grade cleaning versatility. Delicate car washing or cleaning grime from patios and driveways. This electric pressure washer is up to the task with ease. Long working range. The combination of a 35 feet power cord and a 20 feet hose offers an expansive reach, eliminating the need for frequent power outlet changes and reducing the necessity for hose repositioning. This not only boosts cleaning flexibility but also enhances operational convenience, particularly advantageous during large-scale cleaning tasks. Enhanced mobility and convenient, the wheeled design significantly boosts the maneuverability of the pressure washer, making it easy to move between various cleaning locations. Whether you're cleaning large outdoor areas or moving between multiple work sites, the presence of wheels greatly simplifies the operation process, enhancing your work efficiency. Comprehensive safety protection. In addition to the safety protection provided by the safety lock and GFCI leakage protection, the long power cord and hose also indirectly enhance safety. They reduce the physical strain when moving the pressure washer and prevent potential tripping hazards that could result from short power cords or hoses. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.